Question. A train travels at the speed of 90 kilometers per hour and passes a man who is standing on the platform in 10 seconds. Find the length of the train. Options are Option A, 300 meters, Option B, 200 meters, Option C, 150 meters, Option D, 350 meters, and Option E, 250 meters. Let's see the solution. In the statement they given that a train travels at the speed of 90 kilometers per hour and passes a man who is standing on the platform in 10 seconds. So here, there is a train and it travels at the speed of 90 kilometers per hour and it passes a man who is standing on the platform in 10 seconds. Now in the question they are asking the length of the train. So the length of the train is speed of the train into time taken to pass the man. That is 90 into 5 by 18 into 10. After solving this, we get 250 meters. So the length of the train is 250 meters. So the answer is Option E, 250 meters.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn 4 more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.